Hey guys, if you're wondering why this is voiced over, it's because dumbass me forgot to set the audio device. So anyway, here it is. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to page using the Cisco SPA 303 IP phone. I'm using OnSIP for the SIP service. So if you're wondering what I'm using for the SIP service, so this is the part where I show you the phone that I'm going to be using. So this is the phone that I'm using. It's the Cisco IP phone 303, that's what it says on the front, but it's a SPA 303, that's what it's known as. Ignore the doofus in the back, that's my brother. Okay. So if the talking doesn't line with the audio, so that's why. So I'm getting you to the bit where I talk about like the network port and all that stuff that you don't need to know about that. We just need to get to the actual meat of the video, which is how to actually page using the Cisco IP phone. So what you need to do is you need to dial star 96, then press one of the line keys or pick up the phone. Then you need to dial your page target. Then after dialing the number for your page target, you want to click the dial button. After you click the dial button, the other device that you paged will automatically start feeding audio to the other person. And there's a lot of feedback here, so I'm really glad that this is all voiced over. So whatever you say on the Cisco IP phone will also be transmitted on the soft phone or the other Cisco IP phone that you have set up. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you every one of you for watching. I'm glad that you stuck to the end. There's no special surprises. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can click the button in the upper left hand corner. If you want to check out my latest video, you can check it out in the upper right hand corner. And there's nothing else anywhere. So again, thank you for watching. Follow all my social media. It's all mentioned at the beginning. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.